That is one of the interim stages of your PhD. So most of the people do literature review. And another work is like for submission of your PhD thesis. There is a chapter, literature review chapter. So this literature review will helpful for that also. The next thing is to improve your research skills, and you get more subject expertise, and for getting lot of collaboration, this literature review will be helpful. So this literature review can be written in two types, like chronological method and thematic method. So what is chronological method is something like, for example, I have a mobile phone. If some 20 years before, there will be a 5 centimeter big mobile phone, and lot of but only the buttons will be there. There will be yellow color screen will be there. So after some 15 years, some changes came. The mobile phone is attached with the camera. Then again the 10 after like 10 years before, the mobile phone is like little bit slim, and there is a touch screen is there, and fingerprint is there. So lot of advancements. So after now there is a bendable mobile phone. So a lot of security system is advanced in the mobile phone, and sort of so these are all the advancement. So as year goes on, the technology advancement happens, and as per the year, you can write a literature review paper. Or another one option is, I request everyone to mute all your audios. So another one option is thematic way. So the thematic way, for example, shock absorber, that is a vibration control device used in your automobile vehicles. So what that will do is, for writing in a thematic way, you can a experimental work has done by various professor is a separate theme. A design methodology or a design model or an analytical investigation or a numerical investigation. So statistics way, how many people were using this vibration shock absorber. So these are all the ways you can separate the theme and you can write the literature review. Our title is, you can how you can write the literature review paper in a weekend. Like 4 5 days you can write the literature review paper. So for that, you can write only easily literature review paper using thematic way. So today I will be teaching you how to write literature review paper using thematic way. So as I said, two ways. Chronological way is each work in like step by step, the information is gathered as per the years over the time progressed. The progressment of time, you have to write the chronological way. Thematic way is as per the important issues or the summarizing, you have to separate as per the theme, and you have to start working is a thematic way. So structure of literature review. So literature review has a structure of abstract keywords, introduction, methods, body, discussion and conclusion, and reference list. So first, from this I request, if somebody want to take a notes also, you can have a write, or I will send you this PPT after this session comments. So scoping. So how you will search your research work. So you can use Google Scholar, you can use Scopus or Web of Science, or Mendeley, or Crossref metadata. So Mendeley is recently most of the people were using that. So you can use Mendeley or Google Scholar. So in simple way, I have used Google Scholar and I have start working. So you have to search using Google Scholar. So how to screen the literatures from your Google. So relevant title has to be typed first. For example, if I'm doing work in smart materials, what I have to do is I have to type a title like MR fluid. I have to type, or MR fluid in sedimentation. What is the title of your research work? You have to type the title first, and you have to read the title, all the title. So whether that title is relevant to your work or not. Next, you have to check the years. Why this years is very important is, you should not cite the literature some 20 or 30 years before. Those people may be the founding, they are the founding, or they are the starting people who done that research work. But mainly what you have to do is, years is very important. You have to take the recent literatures. For example, from 2010 to 2020, you have to take these kind of, for you have to take these literatures. So next what you have to do is, you have to open a Word file and copy all the literatures relevant to your research work, minimum of 60 articles and maximum of 180 articles in a Word file. You have to copy it, only the reference you have to copy, and you have to paste in the Word file. Open a Word file, copy all the references, and you paste. like 60 articles to 180 articles. So for you can see the screenshot that has been done by me. Open a Google Scholar, type the title, and if you click the cite option, you will get all the formats. You have to copy in APA format in a Word file. So finally, it will be look like this. So all the references has to be pasted in a Word file. That is the first step. All the references has to be pasted in a Word file. So next, what we have to do is you have to download all these references using Sci-Hub, ResearchGate, LibGen. So LibGen is recently most of the people are using that for downloading research articles. So these after you downloading all these research articles, this has to be uploaded, not uploaded. It should be all should be in a single folder. For example, if you are downloading 60 articles, these 60 articles should be in a single folder. Sometimes some articles you may not downloadable. You can ask help from some of the IIT and NIT or some other subscribed. Some journals has been subscribed from some universities. You can ask help from them. And the next what you can do is, if you're not, even though you are not able to download or something, you can send us the title. We will be helping you. So next what you have to do is open each article. 60 articles you have download and you have kept in a single folder. To open each article, you copy the abstract and conclusion of each article and you paste in a Word file. Already a reference is there. In between each references, you have to copy and paste all the abstract and conclusion as like this. For example, see previously only the reference were there in the Word file. Now references were there. Below that you have to copy and paste the abstract of each literatures. But in the abstract, some basic thing will be there starting. So this is the advantage of some basic introduction thing will be there. You have to remove that, and from the work, the present work has done. So these are all that has to be added in the like this you have to do. The title has to be there, the reference will be there, then the abstract should be based in. See, same like this, you have to do for the 60 articles which you have downloaded. So that is the second step. So the third what you have to do is in an Excel sheet, you type all the author details, journal title, what research work they are doing, and what methodology they have done the work, and what are the results they have observed finally, the conclusion, and the remarks. So with the help of this, you can separate as per the theme. For example, if you are downloading 60 articles, 60 articles will be in a separate theme. Some 15 articles may be from design, 15 articles may be in analytical work, 15 articles may be from statistics, 15 articles may be from experimental work, 15 articles may be from results, graph and other things. So as per the theme, you have to separate all the research work. For that, this Excel sheet will be helpful. So when you separate all this theme, what you have to do is you have to rephrase all the sentences. There are two simple easy way you can rephrase all the sentences using Grammarly software, or you can use Quillbot. So after rephrasing the sentences, each sentences below each sentences you need some images from the journals which you are taken as a references. For example, as you see in the screen, I have done a research on smart materials, that is a MR fluid, a fluid. So this fluid testing, there is a lot of graphs are there. Sedimentation, my topic is on sedimentation. Sedimentation means settling of some iron particles or something. So each, for example, if I am downloading 60 articles, each article has 60 graphs will be there on sedimentation. Are relevant to that, some graphs will be there, some viscosity or shear stress. So these all graphs has to be copied or cut using snipping tool, and you have to draw like this. So finally your article will look like this. So first the image will be there, below the figure details will be there, then below that you have already rephrased, so that will be there. See, below all the sentences, finally you will have your references. So some journals they may not have proper images, you can leave that. Whatever the journals they have the proper images, you can take that and you can write like this. So while writing, you need a proper reporting words. So these words will help you to connect, and you can give more suggestion. For example, if I am writing a literature review on certain topic, for example, some professors like Dr. Vijay or Dr. Sweta or Dr. Anand, they are doing some research work, and I have taken their research work. And for example, Professor Anand, what he had done some work, so I have to tell Anand et al. Has conducted a work on magnetorheological damper for for some seismic mitigation, or some title, or for example, Professor Vijay or Vijay et al. Has discussed this thing in his research work. So these connecting words or reporting words will help you to uh, write about or discuss about them in the literature review. So these words has been taken from some of the reputed journals. You can use these words for used for connecting words. So finally, this checklist you have to check before your after writing everything. Just you go to this checklist and you have to have a check. So there must be a proper title. Why this proper title is, see, in normal research work, it will be like title will be like a study on, or a experimental investigation, or a statistics, or some, it will be some normal title will be there. But for literature review, title will be like a state of art, or a study on experimental work on certain topic, a review. So the title will be uh, little bit vary from other research work. And the next thing is you have to take notes while reading. That is one of the important, so that you can take a base paper for your research work. The next one is, you know who are the people doing research, who are all the professors who is doing research in your research area. The next most important thing is, you can easily collaborate with them. See, when you write a research article and you are citing, for example, I have downloaded Professor Anand work from five works I have cited it for my literature review paper. So in Google Scholar, Professor Anand will receive 5 citation. So when he received 5 citation, so he will go and check. So for our 5 articles, someone has been cited. Who is that fellow? He will open that. So okay, Daniel, from some places he is doing some research in our own field. What are all the work he has done earlier? So what he is doing? So these will help you to collaborate. It will help you to connect in the research field where you are. What are the work you are doing? Then the format of your review paper is very important. It should be as per the theme. And some journals will have certain format. Some journals, you have to write as figure, figure. In some journal it will be like fig. In some journal it will be like table or tab. Some journals they have a different table template. If you're doing some tabulation, so different templates will be there. These all has to be taken care before you are doing. So if you are going to submit in certain journal, you have to, as per the journal template, you have to write the literature review work, and you have to focus on specific topic. And specific, the years has to be also years, research years also very important. And finally, you have to summarize properly, and the structure, the flow of the research work has to be very important. And after writing completion of your research work, literature review paper, you have to give to some other of your friends or colleagues to have a check. And they can see the paper. If I am writing my own literature review paper for 20 pages, I cannot find lot of faults. But if you share giving to some other friends or something, they can help me, these are the mistakes. You can give you the comments like this. You can give some suggestion in your literature review paper. For example, if Professor Anand has done some great work, so I can appreciate them. If some research gap may be found in their research work, I can suggest them, sir, if you done this work is little bit better, so you can do this in your future. I can give suggestion. It is like you can communicate to your researchers very easily. For example, recently my work has been cited in a literature review paper. So in that literature review paper, they have given a suggestion. You can do this work in your future study or something like that. So main thing that will be helpful for uh, getting suggestion, and you can easily communicate it with the professors. So thank you. So this is how you can write the literature review paper in the weekend. So same, this lecture will be uploaded in YouTube. Most probably before today night it will be uploaded. And your certificates are ready. We will mail you before 5 o'clock today evening. And any queries you can ask me now. Or if you're not, you can use the chat box also for asking queries. After completion of this meeting, we have 2 more sessions. So what I will do is before 5 o'clock, you will receive all the certificates links and everything. This PPT you will be receiving it. Sure, sir. Sure. Most actually, this session we have 3-4 international participants also from Saudi Arabia and Sri Lanka. I like to thank them. I think Professor, you can ask your queries. And plagiarism software for checking you can use Turnitin and Authenticate. So in reputed journals like Science Direct, elsewhere, this American journals, they are using Authenticate. But like Scopus Index, most of the Scopus Index journals, they are using Turnitin or Urkund. They are using that.
Sir, is there any free software, plagiarism software for checking manuscripts?
No, ma'am. It most of the university they have subscribed for that plagiarism software. You can get from them, or there are free plagiarism online, but that is not proper. You
That is
cannot.
not proper. Yeah.
That is not proper. But
Hmm.
you should use at least Turnitin. Authenticate. Even most of the institute they were not using that for even PhD thesis or other thing. They are using only Turnitin currently. But in reputed journals they are using Authenticate like elsewhere and other top reputed journals.
Your lecture was all slides are very good, and
Thank
most
you, ma'am.
of things we know, but
Hello.
can write the paper.
हाँ
But
भैया 26
it is good for us if you put us
5129.
PDF your slides, so that it's easy for our student to keep all these things for each.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
are you audible, Daniel?
Yeah, now audible, ma'am. I think
Hello.
yeah. Can you tell me once again, ma'am? Ma'am, can you tell me ask your question once again? Can you?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, Mr. Daniel. Actually, I'm from Saudi Arabia, and that's why I'm
Oh,
saying good morning.
good
Maybe
morning, ma'am. We have two,
good
three more
morning.
international participants also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your
Uh,
presence here.
yeah, it was a nice presentation, Mr. Daniel. One more
Thank you.
thing I need to know. You said we can use Grammarly as well as another software through which.
Quillbot. It's not a
Uh,
software. It's an online free version. Quillbot.
okay.
Quillbot for rephrasing the sentences.
And that Excel file sheet which you showed, can you show that again, or it will be in presentation slides?
Are you
This
able
one.
to see, ma'am?
Yeah, now I can see. Can you give some examples with this? Like, actually, I have little doubt. I have seen somewhere one Excel in which they created two types of Excel. One based on the theme, actually.
Okay, okay. Theme is
Like
little bit easy, ma'am. You can write your research paper
the same
very
Excel,
soon.
like the same way
Literature.
they also created Excel, but based on the theme. Like on the side author, on the top side they use the theme. Which author used the themes? Like
Certain
they
theme.
use.
So for science and humanities, little bit I think confused while tabulating this. In engineering
Okay.
stream, it will be little bit different. In like commerce or MBA faculties, they will be mostly relying on statistics or little bit. So mainly what method they have done, what
Uh-huh.
comparison they have done, how about the results. Depending upon the topic, it will be changing. But this is the common way you can create the Excel sheet, and you can, as per the theme, you can separate. That is.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daniel. So in future also, if you have any workshop, please let me know. Huh?
Sure, ma'am.
Because
Sure.
it is
Thank you.
not possible from Saudi Arabia and like to come and attend. Now this is very like useful period for us to join the workshop.
Yes, ma'am. I think
Okay, thank you so much.
next we are going to conduct an workshop regarding that citation, mainly how to use mainly
Yeah,
software.
better citation also we want to know. Like
Yeah,
we know, but not very in detail. So better you arrange some workshop on citation and
sure, ma'am.
this bibliography, like how to search a research paper through
Yes, ma'am.
Google Scholars and Web of Sciences. In that scenario also, please make
Sure,
some
ma'am. Sure,
workshop.
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you
Sure,
so
ma'am.
much, Mr.
Thank you
Daniel.
so much, ma'am. So another one question is like synopsis confused about literature review. One example I will tell you recently, not recently, for my PhD work, I have written three literature review paper. So these three literature review paper I have added my literature review chapter. I request everyone to mute their audios. Hello, professors, can you mute your audios? Okay. So three literature review paper I have written, and I have separated that and I have kept as a chapter for my PhD thesis. So finally, what happened is when I'm checking the plagiarism, only 15 to 20% of plagiarism has been. Uh, I got only 1 minute. Only I have got less plagiarisms. Mainly because of this literature review paper has been written by me. When I was checking the plagiarism, only my articles has been shown for this plagiarism. Yeah, and citation and citations and everything, we will arrange a one more workshop. So if any university or colleges you need to collaborate with us and you want to conduct some workshop regarding this also, you can contact us. Any university, some principals may be there, some HODs or faculties.
One more request, Mr. Daniel. If my university want to conduct any workshop, can you do? Actually, just now you told
Sure,
na any
yeah,
because
sure, ma'am.
we are handling this kind of thing. I'm in that
Sure, ma'am.
team. So if they
Okay,
want to make any workshop, I will contact you.
sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Is it possible?
Yes, possible, ma'am. Just we are
Okay,
sharing whatever we know. We are sharing. That's all. We are
okay. Thank you
helping.
so much.
That's all. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Sure. Good morning, ma'am.
Sir, one question I have to ask. Can you explain thematic approach to write a literature review? I'm not clear about it.
Thematic way. Ma'am, for example, uh, a simple example I will give you. Shock absorber used for vibration control devices in our vehicles. In every vehicle have a shock absorber. So if I am going to write a literature review paper on shock absorber, so that can be separated as a theme for example, shock absorber design is a separate research work has been done by various researchers, and their design like manufacturing technology, additive manufacturing, so that is different. So some people are currently they are using 3D printing, they are manufacturing, that is a separate work. Some people do analytical investigation, some software like abacus ansys, some softwares are there. So they will uh, most of the researchers they do some analytical investigation. Then some people they do work in experimental lab, in their lab they used to do their testing and publish research work. So these are all are separate work. If you go and browse from each work, you will get some 30-40 papers like that. So you take the relevant papers which has been published recently, like some 5 years or 10 years. So this is as a separate theme. In single article you have a four or three themes and has some 30 or 15 articles. So when some person, if I am doing a PhD and I don't want to read all the 150, my faculty say, "Oh, you download 150 articles and you have to study all the literature review paper." So first preliminarily I will go to your article and I can uh, like uh, I can check all the I can read all the articles, and what I can do is uh, yeah, I can do is I can get the base paper from your link. Not I can get the contacts of professor, who are all the professors who was doing research work in this area. So with the help of this theme, you can separate your PhD chapters also in future.
Hello. Hello,
Hello,
sir.
ma'am. Hello.
Sir, like I'm doing my PhD from Mangalore University.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, it's hear
Hello.
me. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Yeah. So while doing literature review, how many reviews we need to cover? Like, is there
Literature
any
review
restriction on the
minimum.
reviews?
It's not no restrictions. So you
Okay.
can choose like 60 to maximum of 180 research articles. Even last
Okay.
week we had a session. So one professor said I saw a literature review paper of 250 articles. So depending upon the journal, for example, some Scopus Index journal, they are allowing only 15 pages. They are allowing only 15 pages. So for the 15
Okay.
pages, you cannot write 250 articles. So depending upon
Uh,
that, if 60 articles there also, you can give
okay.
a comments or suggestions in a shorter way, not a big way. Like for example, if I'm reading a 10-line abstract, and I can write in my own words for 3 lines.
Okay.
So depending upon that, you have to separate. But first you have to select the which journal you are going to publish, that their templates. So earlier published work has to be noted. And if you are publishing your work, literature review work in the journal, you have to cite at least some 5 to 10 reference from the same journals, so that easily you can publish in that journal.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any queries? So another one thing, you try to cite latest articles. That is very, very important, because when you in introduction section, you have to what you have to do is mostly for example, if shock observer is there, shock observer, yeah, vibration control devices is there. What you have to do is basically who founded that, first who has been done research in that. So these are all basic has to be written in the introduction section.
Hello, Mr. Daniel.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
I just want to. Hello. Are you listening?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
I just want to know whether book review article is counted in paper or not, the research paper or not.
No, ma'am. No,
That
ma'am. No,
section.
ma'am. Yeah,
No
no.
book.
But in literature, some literature people they are citing patents. Patents also they are citing, and book review I have not seen much, ma'am. Mostly they
Okay.
are referring to review papers only.
Review papers only, na? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So how to set a reference in papers? So some, as per the journal template. See, some journals they are asking you can do the references like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So some journals it will be Daniel et al. Dot 2009 in brackets has commented or discussed or suggested, or you can use certain words and you can write.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, my question is there any order of references?
Order of see, if some, as I said, the some journals it will be in alphabetical order. Your reference should be there. A in ABCD. So if that is the case, inside the introduction or inside the body of this literature review paper, you have to write Daniel et al. Or Professor Ranjani et al. Or Professor Sunny et al. Or Professor Sadhana et al. 2009 or 2019 they have published this work. Like this you have to write. If some paper it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. In that is the case, you can put the reference in whatever the way, and you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. But the thing is, like if you're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, so this in this order, the reference should be there. That is very important. For example,
Order
if,
in order
if-
they've been mentioned in the paper.
yeah.
Hello.
For example, if,
Hello.
yeah.
Hello.
All paper have their own style. Some need alphabetical order of references, some 1, 2, 3, and some as they
Depending
cited
upon
in
the
the
journal,
literature,
depending
depending on
upon
the
the
journal.
journal,
Yeah. Depending on the journal.
So
Hello.
before submitting to the journal, just try to download one of the review paper or journal, one of the
This is
articles.
the best approach.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you.
Dental
Hello, sir.
sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaste, sir.
My name is Lakshman Bhandari. I'm from Nepal.
Ah.
Yes, I found your presentation very good.
Thank you,
And
sir.
so far as the order of presentation in the references, just you've been discussing concerns. I think it depends upon which you follow. Like either you follow APA or MLA or Oxford or Cambridge or something like that. Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
if we means I don't think these are written in number
For
1, 2, 3. Yes, they are
for-
written in alphabetical order. Yes.
sir.
And another thing, when there was a discussion between whether we can cite book reviews or not, I have seen in many theses or dissertations or very good research articles that book reviews have been cited because
Cited.
book
Yeah, we
reviews give,
can write. I think book review can be cited.
Yeah,
It
can be
cannot-
cited,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
not more. Not more. See, I am from engineering discipline, so we don't cite more book reviews.
Yeah. But there are
Cite
many
patents.
books is very much relevant.
Use-
So
yeah,
then we can
relevant, yeah.
cite that book.
Yeah,
Some
exactly.
books
We cite
are-
mostly
research
cite
work.
mostly patents,
Nowadays,
patents
if we-
and some thesis. Even thesis we used to cite.
Exactly. And another thing, yes, if we see the articles that are published by Oxford or Cambridge, let's say, or very good Indian universities, I have been reading some of them. What
Yeah.
I find, it means citing the recent publication will be better.
Preferable.
But
Yeah. Recent.
yeah.
And
It is
but,
preferable to cite recent references.
Recently, yes.
but
That will help them to increase more citation also in
More
future.
citation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
and but citing there are certain conditions, and for example, like NS Prabhu developed task-based language teaching in India, and when I start working on this, I must cite 1987 or 85 like that. Okay, yes, for the means for the theories that were developed long ago, they have to be cited, like Vygotsky 1970.
Yeah.
And
In
but
introduction
for the-
section, we have to write these all the things, sir. In introduction section, you have to write all the how we should not forget our founders. Previously, what they have done and everything that has to be written in introduction section properly.
Exactly. Okay. Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was yes a good session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. In sometimes the diagrams and figures of the research paper cannot be copied correctly, so you can use snipping tool or you can use print screen. But the thing is, in most of the referred journal, they are they are asking their image should be in 300 dpi.
Hello.
Sir, hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hanji sir.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
I'm doing PhD from journalism in journalism. I
Okay.
just want to know, is there any ratio in ROL, like how much research articles you have to include or more books you have to include?
Minimum 60 to 180 articles for review
Okay,
papers.
no,
See, for
I
example,
just want to know, like
uh,
it's a sum of articles and books. In
Okay.
that like it's a full ROL is like there are some articles and some books. I just want to know
sometime
if I include more books, it will be like good ROL. Like is
yeah,
there some
the-
ratio of something?
see the thing is, like, book publication will be less than review research articles in a topic. For example, if I am searching in my research topic, book will be some recent work, books has been published will be some 10, but the same topic, the research like technical papers will be some 100, but you can add that also, book review also.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, my name is Puneet Kumar. Sir, currently I am writing a review. Which basic things
Okay.
I have to take care, which help me in writing review. Basic things which help me in
Basic
writing
things.
review.
You choose what journals you are going to submit that literature review work, sir. You have to cite at least minimum of some 5 to 10 articles from the same journal on the relevant topic. That is very important. Then, as per the step which I said earlier, from how to copy the reference first, then you have to copy the abstract first, then rephrase the sentences, then you add your images. Then introduction, you have to write your the research topic for all the person those who served earlier. So in abstract and conclusion. So reference should be in some journals, maybe in most of the journals currently in reputed journals, that is in APA formats. So you can get the reference list from you can use Mendeley or some other software. For downloading, you can use libgen or Sci-Hub. So these are all you can use it. So the basic thing is like uh, create a theme. See, for example, if I'm writing a literature review paper, first I will have a theme. I am going to download 60 articles. I have to categorize like 15 or 20 articles from this theme, and like four. So that's that thing. In, for example, one of the research scholars said that in my work, separation of uh, separation of theme is little bit different for my research work, but little bit you have to go back. For example, vibration shock absorber inside, if you go in mechanical aspect, mechanical model, or so in depth, if you go, there are lot of research work has been happened, and you can separate and as per the theme. If you not found much relevant papers, you can come little bit back. Like there are the methodology can be used by so many researchers. You have been used separate control algorithm, or so, like some more relevant, you have to take 60 articles.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Even some one of the literature you recently written, uh, I want to have collaboration, like I want to do postdoc in that lab. So what are the research paper which I am writing, I will cite more research papers from that professors. Even though we have contacted, we have communicated, so that kind of collaboration will come through that. Even another one thing, with the help of this literature review, I recently connected with one professor. He's an associate editor of a certain journal. So we have collaborated and we are publishing now one paper. So in the same journal. So it will be helpful if you write literature review paper. That will help. You will get one paper for your PhD. Some college they have like 2 scopus or 1 scopus, 2 ACA journals or something. So for your publication also it will be helpful, and for your PhD chapter also, for reducing plagiarism, and it will be added as one of your chapter. And now currently so many faculties and research scholars, they are in your home due to quarantine or lockdown. You cannot go to your lab for doing your results or work or something. So during this time you can at least write 1 or 2 review papers. That will be an added advantage if you write 1 or 2 review papers, and if you published during these days. So your main research work, if you publish one work also, you can just go for synopsis or easily for completion of your PhD work.
Thank you, sir. That's all.
Hello.
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 Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm speaking from Pune.
Ah.
Yeah. Currently, I'm pursuing a PhD in banking and finance.
Okay.
And as you mentioned, I have covered 60 research papers,
Okay, ma'am.
and I have written down the review of literature also. So my
Okay, ma'am.
question is,
Nice.
how many
Okay.
books to be referred in term? I mean to say reference books and textbooks. So how many
Okay.
books to refer, and how many articles to be reviewed as a part of review of literature? Could
See,
you please guide me on
most
this?
of the certain topic book reviews will be, book publications will be less than review papers. See, even I have written only 2 books,
Yeah.
but I have published nearly 30 papers. So the thing is like in your another one thing, you have to cite only the recent article. So recent book publication. So for writing book, even though they may be a familiar author, they may not publish books like very often. Like per in 5 years they may publish some 5 to 10 books. So depending upon the authors. So anyway, you can cite only less books, but you can cite that
Okay.
books.
Because that is required in introduction part, right?
Introduction parts, try to write the like basics or how your research work has been started, what is the importance of your research work, the
Yeah.
so certain things has to be in the introduction, and in the work you have to separate as per the theme. If you're in banking, I was not much more knowledge in that banking and others research area, so as per the theme you have to separate, ma'am.
Okay. And how many PhD thesis to be referred, sir?
It's not
Dissertations?
not like this much count. It should be in this literature review work. There is no condition or nothing. It's like that, ma'am. You can choose the reason. For
So
example,
it's not compulsory.
not compulsory.
So
Not
it's
compulsory.
not compulsory.
Not
Okay.
compulsory.
Okay. Okay.
But you should not like
Yeah.
if you are referring 60 articles, the 60 also should not be a PhD thesis. Like some 5, 5, 6 theses, like 4, 5 patents or 3, 4 book reviews, and remaining it may be technical papers.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, like I have a question.
Can you just increase? Can you just?
Hello.
It's not much audible. Can you speak little louder?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it is audible.
Yeah, you can ask the questions, ma'am.
Yes. What is the difference between, like, somewhere I see that literature review is written and somewhere review of literature is written. So both the things are same.
Yeah. See, some title it will be like state of art. On, for example, one professor, PhD student, like doing in smart homes and IoT. If you are writing a literature paper in the title, a state of art on IoT for smart homes, that may be a literature paper. Or like recent technology in IoT for smart homes, a review. You can write a title like this.
Like when the PhD scholars are presenting their thesis in the final presentation, they can use the tabular form, isn't it, to show the literature review?
Not much audible, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, what I'm saying that during the final presentation of the PhD scholars, they can use the tabular form to show the literature review part, isn't it? That will be better, I think.
That publication also consider for the PhD.
Okay, okay. Daniel, my question is like, when the scholars are giving the final presentation, PhD final presentation, the scholars can use the tabular form to show the literature review.
Yeah, there will be some slides on literature review.
Yes, yes.
Not the full. We even most of the thesis, some of the presentation when I was seeing like some 10 or some 8 slides. They will tell some literature review, and in words they will tell I have referred some 120 journals, and we have found the research gaps like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you for answering.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. For literature review, why you need to go to abstract is mainly is in abstract. The first line it will be like some of the basics on what is your research work, and next what you have done, the work presented or the work commented. It will be like that. So I am answering Miss Renu. So it will be like finally in the result will be shortly added in your abstract. So the result is compared. The performance of this is well or something like that. So what methodology they have done also it will be in the abstract. So that abstract and conclusion itself you can find what is inside available in this paper. So that see for writing easily and write papers very fast, I am telling this suggestions.
Hello.
So I will okay. Hello, sir.
Hello, Daniel, sir.
Hello, sir. So good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning,
good
sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Sir, my question is very generic. How much plagiarism is allowed permissible?
In reputed journals, technical papers, 12% maximum of 12 less than 12, it should be. In some Scopus Index journal, like 30, less than 30 they are saying, but if you like 25 it is there, it's okay. In some university thesis submission, it will be like less than 20 in some university, less than 30 in some university.
Okay, actually it is allowed on the basis of chapterization or overally over the thesis?
Overall the thesis.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Your
sir.
reference will be excluded from that. For example, if you are submitting thesis in Turnitin or some plagiarism software, there is an option called excluding the bibliography. So if you click that, your reference will be removed.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. My name is Benny from Kerala.
Okay.
Hello.
Nice
Sir, is the questionnaire is counted for the plagiarism? Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Can
Yeah,
you
I'm
hear?
audible, sir. Yeah, I'm here, sir.
Is the questionnaires are counted for plagiarism check?
Questionnaire is
considered for plagiarism checking. So
Yes,
while
sir.
checking plagiarism, is the questionnaires are also considered or
Yes,
counted
sir.
for?
Yes, sir. Everything is considered, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. If you have any doubt in future, also you can contact me. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Sir, is there
Hello, ma'am.
any more lectures?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Hello.
actually, the
Is
thing
there?
is like several people. Actually, we have more lectures, but in the same topic, same thing. They have submitted 2-3 times. While submission, they have done 2-3 times. So that is the reason they may get some 2 mails. But the same session only going to be happen.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. We'll send you the PPT. We won't forget that. I think before
Yeah,
5
yeah.
o'clock you will read the PPT, and the same video lecture also will be uploaded in the YouTube page, Manuscriptpedia. You can go and
Yeah,
have a look.
yeah. That will be beneficial for us, so that we can teach our student in proper way how to write the paper.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you. Very nice lecture, Daniel.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jain, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.